Every year, more than 400 million air travelers grapple with the challenge of finding a suitable spot to unwind at the airport. Enter AirPod, a pioneering solution from a Slovenian company. These innovative capsules provide a haven where you can conveniently check your smartphone, indulge in a peaceful snack, or even catch a quick nap. Once rested, these capsules transform into mini offices complete with adaptable furniture, air conditioning, and complimentary Wi-Fi. A standout prototype was recently showcased at a prestigious exhibition in Dubai, drawing considerable attention. The creators exuded confidence, believing they could effortlessly sell thousands of these capsules. The next phase involves testing these cutting-edge pods in key airports across the United Kingdom, the United Arab Emirates, and Oman. Curious about your take on this game-changing concept? How do you think these features will impact your airport experience? Share your thoughts below. In the dynamic realm of global advertising, 2023 unfolded with surprises, combining cutting-edge technology and substantial investments. The total volume of this ever-evolving market soared to an impressive $842 billion. Amidst this, Screen LED, a notable Polish company recognized for its LED displays, introduced a groundbreaking revenue-generating solution, BoxLED. BoxLED is a sleek unit specifically crafted for displaying ads, offering customers the flexibility to choose a car with a pre-installed BoxLED or acquire the unit separately. This innovative gadget effortlessly showcases advertising videos from a PC or laptop, boasting automatic brightness adjustments. Notably, weather concerns become a thing of the past as these displays exhibit resilience against rain and winds of up to 20 meters per second. How do you think these features will impact the advertising landscape? Ever heard the jokes about robots swooping in to take our jobs? Well, in the US, clinics without human doctors are already a reality. Imagine strolling into one for a blood test, biometric body scans, and screenings for diseases like diabetes. The grand plan here is to broaden the scope of services by introducing artificial intelligence algorithms to handle diagnostics and provide recommendations. CarePods are these clinics which can snugly fitting into shopping malls, bring convenience to the forefront, and is available through a subscription, priced at $99 per month. How do you reckon the features of forward CarePod with AI at the helm of diagnostics, will it reshape the healthcare landscape? In Singapore, there's been a notable leap forward in advancing electronics. A team of scientists from Nanyang Technological University has crafted a groundbreaking Lego-like universal connection interface. What sets it apart? Installation takes a mere 10 seconds, and it boasts remarkable flexibility, stretching 7 times without a hitch. Even more impressive, this connection is 60 times stronger than using glue and remains functional underwater. This innovation simplifies the creation of flexible devices, offering a boon to robotics experts in the future. Envision the impact of this Lego-like universal connection on the world of electronics and robotics. In early December, US-based Andal Industries unveiled the Roadrunner interceptor drone, and while not every detail is on the table, a key feature steals the spotlight. The Roadrunner boasts 2 turbojet engines propelling it to speeds around 1,120 km per hour. According to Andal Industries, this drone outshines competitors, flying 10 times farther and maneuvering 3 times better. Versatility is the Roadrunner's middle name, finding application in various scenarios. The Roadrunner M model, designed to counter unmanned aerial vehicles, extends its capabilities to tasks like reconnaissance and tracking. And here's the kicker. Andal Industries has secured its first customer and is gearing up for mass production. How do you think the high-speed performance and versatile features of Roadrunner will redefine the landscape of drone technology? Meet SP80, a trimaran that defies conventional sailing aesthetics, resembling more of a spaceship. Its ambitious creators are on a mission to shatter the world speed record for sailboats. If everything unfolds as planned, the SP80 is set to reach an impressive speed of 150 km per hour in 2024. Crafting this 7-meter marvel involved cutting-edge technologies, taking years of meticulous design and construction. The hull intricately woven from carbon fiber on a specialized machine, then sterilized in an autoclave at a scorching 120 degrees Celsius. Notably, the total project budget soared past the $1.60 million mark. With its spaceship-like design and cutting-edge technologies, will it be able to revolutionize the world of sailboats? Into the world of cleaning robots, where between 2015 and 2018, an estimated $25.2 million worth of these futuristic devices found homes globally. Yet, a common hiccup emerged. Stairs posed a daunting challenge. Enter Singapore's ingenious solution, sTetro, a robotic marvel designed to effortlessly navigate stairs in both directions. Picture this innovation, sTetro, composed of 3 blocks housing 6 motors, armed with exceptional computer vision. A blend of cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and lidar contribute to its prowess. In tests, sTetro has showcased promising performance, mastering the stairs with finesse. The big question looms: will it make the leap to mass production? How do you think the features of sTetro will revolutionize the realm of cleaning robots? Share your insights and let's unravel the potential together. Already, there are everyday exoskeletons accessible to the general public, and one of them, known as WIM, is a lightweight marvel at only 1.4 kilograms. It goes beyond merely conserving up to 20% of your energy while walking. It also slashes the effort needed to carry loads by 14%. Perfect for hiking or training, WIM comes bundled with a training program. This program utilizes artificial intelligence algorithms to craft a personalized plan. With its lightweight design and personalized AI-driven training program, how do you think it will impact the way you approach activities like hiking or training? China's automotive sector has not only achieved remarkable success but has also emerged as the world's largest automobile exporter, according to 2023 results. Amidst this triumph, the local company Yeefung has developed something noteworthy: the Ark AGV. This innovative platform streamlines car parking through laser navigation, boasting an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 5 mm. It can enhance the capacity of a typical parking garage by up to 40%. Moreover, this advanced intelligent parking system has the capability to manage up to 1,000 platforms simultaneously.